When will Bitcoin bottom, and could it actually drop under $60,000? Let's break down the macro chart data. Historically, in every Bitcoin bear cycle, there is one final capitulation flush right at the start of quarter four. Just like we saw in 2018 and 2022, every major Bitcoin bear market in history has taken roughly one full year to complete. For this cycle's bear market to officially be over, one of two conditions must take place. First, the full one-year time frame needs to run its course. Since Bitcoin peaked last October, that leaves about 70 days left until October to complete the time duration. The second scenario is an accelerated price capitulation before October. If a sudden capitulation flush happens sooner, Bitcoin could wick down sharply and start the next macro expansion cycle without waiting for the full year to wrap up. However, if Bitcoin maintains above $60,000 through October, we can confirm the bear market is over and $60,000 was the macro bottom. Hit that follow and subscribe button for more market breakdowns. Disclaimer: strictly for educational purposes to help you navigate the market, not financial advice. Dyer, which path do you think BTC takes? Drop your thoughts in the comments.